Boom, we got the. Boom, we got the tick, 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 tick. Boom, we got the. Boom, we got the. Boom, we got the tick, 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 tick. Boom, we got the. Boom, we got the. Boom, we got the tick, 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 tick. Boom.
All right, TNT, let's do this. How we doing so far, ladies? We doing good? All right, keep going. All right, we're coming to the base of the stairs. TNT, how we doing? I didn't hear a boom. Oh, wow. We need some more boom in that boom.
I am Venus. I'm explosive on and off the court. Boom.
I am Maya Fire. I'm not a follower, I'm a trailblazer. Boom.
I'm Infinity Trinity, and my explosion never ends. Boom. I am Spark. I'm the one who starts the fire. Boom.
I am Phoenix. My fire makes stuff go boom.
I am Fire Meter, little fiery one. I may be small, but my explosions are big. Boom.
I am Enchantra. Don't let my mild manner fool you because I make things go boom.
TNT rocks out. When TNT rocks out, we rock it all the way down. Boom. TNT rocks out. When TNT rocks out, we rock it all the way down. Boom.
All right, there we go. Come back and get your little sister. Make sure you look out for one another. How we doing, TNT? All right. Okay, we out of the woods now, so it's a little. Is it a little sunnier?
Yeah.
We better.
A little bit worse.
We okay. Oh, we have run into a deer on the trail. Running. Oh, he's leaving. He's leaving. Don't make that noise, guys. Don't make that noise. I'm gonna try and get him. There he is. All right. Pretty, huh? We got a deer. That's a doe, yes. A doe, a deer, a female deer. It's a female deer. All right, TNT, let's work it out. Still in the sand, how we doing?
Good.
Are you gonna quit?
No.
No.
I will.
No. Are we gonna quit? Are we quitting?
No.
Venus.
Huh?
Are we quitting?
No.
Why not?
We don't quit. We're not quitters. We don't quit because we're tired. We quit because we're done.
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't hear that.
We don't quit because we're tired. We quit because we're done.
What? I like that. Go.
You got that boom dynamite. You got that boom dynamite. You got that boom dynamite.
I didn't hear anything that was dynamite. Can I hear that again?
We're tired.
We got the...
Boom dynamite. You got that boom dynamite. You got that boom, 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 boom dynamite.
Boom, boom. We're almost there.
When are we gonna eat our snack?
Okay, when, Infinity Trinity, you said when do we stop? Stop when we're done. There's water. You want to go swimming? We're still going. You all don't look happy to have made it to the water. Are you happy? You can take it off while we're here. All right, so TNT has to get some alone time, so it's taking 5 minutes to themselves. It's taking a little time away from the others. What did you say you saw?
Crocodile.
You saw a crocodile. What did she see?
That's not a crocodile.
What did she see?
I think it's a...
Oh, that log or whatever. Oh, it was a piece of wood, not a crocodile? Okay. False alarm. Ew. Oh, no. Oh, guys, wait. Ooh. Do not drop any snacks down. That's where the seagulls are coming from. Do not drop any snacks.
Oh, God.
Oh, Jesus. All right, let's get this party started. Let's go. We headed back. All right, TNT, how are we doing?
I'm tired.
You tired?
Yeah.
But do you stop when you tired?
No.
When do you stop? When you're done. That's right. Let's go. We can make it, yes?
No.
Yes? Can we make it, TNT? Okay, well, whoever's saying no, I don't know how you're going to get back to the house.
No.
Because the folks riding with me can make it back. What'd you say, Maya? Fire? A big spider?
Right there.
Right where? You see it? Oh, wait. Let me see if I can capture him. Hopefully he won't hop out on me. He's not showing up. Nah, he's not showing up. I think something just jumped on one of them. I believe it was Spark. What just happened, guys? What happened? Nothing? Oh, okay. It's probably gonna be a lot of more bugs on backs before we make it out these woods. Right, we're out of the woods. TNT is up here somewhere. There they are. So now we're headed to that big staircase up there. How we doing?
I'm sorry, but I just hate you.
We just completed between
945 or 955 stairs.
And what else did you walk through?
We went to the beach.
The
the lake,
the sand, and we saw a deer. We saw a deer.
doe.
We had doe.
A doe. Oh, what happened when we got to the lake? What attacked us?
Seagull.
Why?
Because we had food out.
Only had crackers out.
So how you ladies feeling?
Tired.
Tired? But are you quitting?
No, but I even that tradition.
That's okay. I'm gonna. How many steps? You got a lot of steps. We're gonna count them when we get to the car.
339.
300. Okay, we're gonna count them when we get to the car. Okay.
360.
Now what I mean by push this last leg, let's try to run. Let's go. Run. You got it. Come on, TNT. You got that. Boom. You got the. Boom. You got the tick, 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 tick. Boom. Good job, ladies. You ran all the way?
Yeah, I ran all the way. I ran all the way because I'm not a quitter.
What? You a trailblazer, right?
Yeah.
That's Maya Fire, people. Boom. All right, and here we have the aftermath. What did you say, Venus? What did you say? You said it felt weird?
With sand in my shoes. My socks are off.
Your socks are off?
It feels weird.
Here's the aftermath. All right, fire meter. How did it go?
It went well.
It went well.
I got thirsty.
You got thirsty?
A lot.
A lot. All right, TNT. How'd it go?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
How you feeling? Awesome.
Thirsty. Tired.
Mark doesn't look awesome. What happened? Bugs? Too many bugs? I know. But we're going to toughen you up about them bugs. Right? Yeah, Spark's not too happy about the bugs. What about you, Phoenix?
I'm good.
You good? All right. All right.
You didn't eat your apple